Bow windows are a striking architectural feature that adds elegance, natural light, and a sense of openness to a home. In Layton, where homeowners experience cold winters, warm summers, and seasonal temperature swings, bow windows can greatly enhance comfort, but only when they are installed correctly. Because bow windows extend outward and include multiple window panels, professional installation plays a critical role in how well they perform over time. Here's how expert bow window installation improves comfort in Layton homes and ensures homeowners enjoy the full benefits of this beautiful upgrade. Precise installation eliminates drafts and temperature swings. One of the biggest comfort issues homeowners face with improperly installed bow windows is drafts. Gaps around the frame or misaligned panels allow cold air in during winter and let cooled air escape during summer. Professional installers measure openings precisely, align each window panel correctly, seal all joints and edges, tightly insulate around the entire window structure. This attention to detail helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and eliminates uncomfortable drafts in Layton's changing climate. Improved energy efficiency keeps homes comfortable year-round. Layton homes rely heavily on heating in winter and cooling in summer. Professionally installed bow windows are designed to support energy efficiency by preventing air leaks and ensuring insulated glass performs as intended. Expert installation ensures insulated glass units remain airtight, low-E coatings function properly, frames are securely sealed against heat transfer. As a result, rooms with bow windows stay warmer in winter and cooler in summer, improving overall comfort while reducing energy costs. Better control of natural light without overheating. Bow windows are known for bringing in abundant daylight, but improper installation can allow excess heat gain. Professional installers position and seal bow windows carefully to balance light and temperature. This allows homeowners to enjoy bright, inviting living spaces, reduced glare and heat intrusion, comfortable temperatures throughout the day. With expert installation, Layton homeowners get the benefits of natural light without sacrificing comfort. Enhanced structural stability prevents long-term issues. Because bow windows extend outward from the home, they require proper structural support. Inadequate installation can lead to sagging, shifting, or stress on surrounding walls, eventually affecting comfort and performance. Professional installation includes reinforcement of framing when necessary, proper support brackets or structural systems, even weight distribution across panels. This stability ensures bow windows remain secure, sealed, and comfortable for years to come. Improved noise reduction for quieter living spaces. Properly installed bow windows help reduce outside noise, which can otherwise enter through gaps or poorly sealed joints. With professional installation, seals block sound carrying air leaks. Multi-pane glass reduces noise transmission. Living spaces feel quieter and more peaceful. This is especially beneficial for Layton homes near roads or active neighborhoods. Smooth operation of venting panels enhances comfort. Many bow windows include operable side panels for ventilation. If these panels aren't installed correctly, they may stick, fail to seal, or allow air leaks. Professional installers ensure panels open and close smoothly. Locks pull sashes tightly against seals. Ventilation works without compromising efficiency. This gives homeowners greater control over airflow and indoor comfort. Moisture protection prevents humidity problems. Seasonal moisture and temperature changes can lead to condensation or water intrusion if bow windows aren't sealed properly. Professional installation includes proper flashing and sealing to keep moisture out. This helps prevent damp indoor air, mold or mildew growth, damage to interior walls, and trim dry, well-sealed windows contribute to healthier, more comfortable living spaces. Long-term comfort and peace of mind. Professional bow window installation doesn't just improve comfort today, it protects comfort long-term. Homeowners benefit from fewer repairs and adjustments, reliable performance through all seasons, increased home value and appeal. Comfort starts with professional installation. Bow windows can transform a Layton home, but their comfort benefits depend heavily on how they're installed. Professional installation ensures airtight seals, proper support, smooth operation, and long-term energy efficiency. For Layton homeowners looking to enjoy brighter rooms, consistent temperatures, and lasting comfort, investing in professional bow window installation is the key to making this beautiful upgrade truly worthwhile.